Influence here, and today I have Spider-Man 2's Venom. This is Hot Toys 1/6 scale Venom. So this is a big boy, and this is the Venom from the video game. That's why he's so big, because I don't know if you can tell from this angle, but when I start to compare this other 1/6 figures, you'll really see what it is. I think it's 19 inches tall, and it's a big beast, and I do love it. I absolutely love it. I think it'll be the only Venom that I need. You know, I haven't had any before, and I'm not really looking for any after this one. I know it's the video game one, but I just like, it's almost like a statue. It's so big, and I love it. I love the texture. I love the way it looks. Yeah, it has, I know some people are like, well, the video game one was a little different. Yeah, it was a little different iteration, but still, I like it. I like it, and I'm good with it. So if you're good with it, I would say it's a go.
Transformers reviews, tech in the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
Off the carousel, it does stand up quite well. His feet are quite stable. You know it's gonna fall if I do this, but I'm just poking it a little bit so you can see how stable it is. Really stable without the base. Let's get to the base and the accessories. Move him a little bit out the way. So we got the base here. Says Spider-Man 2. Has that little subscribe picture right there. Right there it says Venom. And that's pretty much it. No frills. Has the pole. I probably won't even use this base, or if I do use it, I'll just use this part and not the support. I don't really need the support. Plus, I don't want it messing up the Venom. Here we are with the other accessories. I'm bring them all in so you can kind of see. Put the head in the beginning. So first we'll look at the portrait, the other portrait it comes with. I say portrait like it's a statue. You got this, very nice. The eyes are raised, nice paint. It's magnetic to go on the head, so I will show that later on. But nice long or wide open mouth, I should say. And all of the extra tongues that it comes with go into here if you want it to. So you got the flat one. The flat one also goes into the head that came with it. And you got this one that's a little longer, and then this one. This one is the only one that can only fit into this head because it's so big, so you can't really, and it's so high, like it goes up high. It's just a different look. So this one is only for this head, and the other tongues are for the other head. So you have actually four hands, extra hands. You have these. Nice, go by on a ball joint. I will show that. Then you have these that are like extra. I'm definitely using one of these at least, probably with the stuff on them. But yeah, they go ball jointed as well. And then you get these things that plug into the back of Venom. He has little spots. I will show that in a minute. And they just plug in the back and give him little tentacles. Then these can go around on his forearms in order to give him a little bit more. And I do like that they're both different. Like, they don't give you the same one. They look a little different, have a little different length to them. So that's nice that even though they give you one of each, it's something different. So here we are up close and personal with Venom. And here's his portrait here. And you can just take that off, put the other portrait on. I especially like that it's magnetic and not ball jointed, so you can do it really quickly, and you can also get his head in all types of spots very quickly. And it's not like it's gonna fall off if you're messing. If you knock it, it will it will fall off, however. But like I said, cool. So here's this head with this tongue. Here it is with this tongue. And here it is with the third tongue. Oh wait, that's like that. It's like a long wrapped around tongue. So I do like that. I like the original portrait as well. It's a little less in your face. So here it is with that tongue. And I quite like that. I actually like it with this tongue, I think. Super long. So you saw his head articulation. His arms can go up about that much. It does come off. It's like out of the socket. So then you can push it in to make it more cohesive. Bring it down. He can spin 360. His suit, for lack of a better word, is like a rubbery suit. It does smell. So it's probably gonna have to dissipate that smell, that like rubber smell. But it's cool though. So where was I? The arm. Then you have elbow, about that much. Hands. He has a fist that comes on him, so that's his third iteration of hands. Put that down. It does say he does have a waist, but it says avoid moving it because it may mess this up, and I can see it moving and like you can see it moving. It's a nice looking and feeling material though. It feels like it's wet. So then you have a drop down, so you can get the leg. You can get the leg all the way up, just about. So you see, you can get them like that, and you can get more. I don't care to try to get more, but you can. Knee, it's like about like that, and you have a foot that's on a ball joint, so it gets you normal range up and down and side to side, kind of a rocker. First comparison is Spider-Man in the black suit. So this is Symbiote Spider-Man, who got a piece of Venom. And you can see this mug feels like a 12-inch or a 112 figure. So you can see what he looks like there. That's wild. So this is both from the video game, and that's how he was. He towered. And for my Transformers fans, let's bring in Fans Toys. Fans Toys Superion. For those that know, he is in a pose, so I believe he's a little bit taller than Venom, but you can see how it stacks up, how close it is. So this is a big thing. Get some of his extras on. So let's take this off, just on the ball joint, and I'm gonna put, I believe this is the one, yeah. And you know what, I'm gonna put one of these on as well. Not sure if it goes like that. No, yeah, it goes like this. Fits on the forearm. Then put this on. Man. Showing the back. Right here is, you just pry, they're just on a peg. And there's a little spot where you can kind of get your fingernail in. And then you can put these things in here. I don't know if they go a specific way. Oh yeah, they do. They have, like, it's flat and curved. It's flat on one side and curved. So they do go in a specific way. Like that, and here you go. And you have his tentacles. Then you can extreme, go extreme. Take this fist off. Put this one on. Very easy. Oh yeah, no, you know what? I want this on. So put this on first. Man, this is crazy. Throw tongue in there. Let me see. Let me throw this one. This long one. And there he is. Got the ratchets in his arms. I do like that. You just gotta get his feet right in order to get him to stand up. Then, like I said, you can put his portrait down. Then he has all this stuff like that. So you have the tentacles in the back that you can tab in. You got this hand here with the tentacles on the side. I like that. Think I will display him like this possibly. Then you can have this where he looks a little more in control. Maybe have a longer tongue. He's just enjoying himself. If you enjoyed yourself, let me know. And please hit like and subscribe. And I will get up with you in another video. Peace.
You know, life ain't over. Life ain't over. Life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.